Okay, that was me.
Yeah. Okay, so today it will be like a learning session, more of a learning. Okay, and today we will learn chapter 12 of Bhagavad Gita and two verses of Bhagavad Gita, that is verse 1 and verse 2. Arya, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you chant with me together. Join your hands in this way. Tvameva mata
Twameva Mata
cha pita
Chapita
त्वमेव बन्धुस्
Twameva Bandus
च सखा
Chasaka
त्वमेव विद्या
Twameva Vidya
द्रविणम्.
Dvarnam.
You're feeling sleepy?
No, ma'am.
Then sit attentively. Okay. Your voice should be very active voice. Once
Yes,
again with me in a full chorus and full active and energetic voice. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please put on your camera, Param. Join your hands together with me, all of you, in a chorus voice with full energy, okay? Tvameva mata cha pita,
Twameva Mata Chapita
tvameva bandhus cha sakha,
Twameva Bandus Saka
tvameva vidya dravinam,
Twameva Vidya Dharinam
tvameva sarvam mama deva deva.
Twameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva
This is the prayer that we are telling to God, that you are my friend, you are my father, you are my mother, and you are only Vidya. Vidya means knowledge, right? And you are everything. Who is everything? Almighty God is everything, right? Okay, now one more thing we will learn today. Every morning when you wake up, what do you say after waking up?
Paramul Mul Paramule
Say.
Paramule. I mean, it's like seeing a hand and telling like
Right, right, absolutely. So open your arms like the hands like this.
I
Look
do
at
it in
your
the morning,
hands.
I somehow remember it. And not
Yeah,
in
I'll tell you. Let us remember.
yeah.
As soon as you wake up from your sleep, you need to put your hands in this way, just in front of your face, okay? Now chant with me together. Karagre vashate
Karagre vasate Lakshmi
Lakshmi Kar
Karagre
Madhye
Karamule
Saraswati
Karamule
Kar Mule
Gauri Prabhate
Govinda.
Darshani Darshanam. Yeah.
Again chant with me, okay? Repeat the words I am telling you. Karagre vasate Lakshmi.
Karagre vasate Lakshmi
Put your hands in this way, better. Put your hand just in front of your face. Karagre vasate Lakshmi.
Karagre vasate Lakshmi
Kar Madhye Saraswati.
Karamule Saraswati
Kar Mule Govinda.
Karamule Nami Stitya Gauri
Kar Mule
Karamule
Govinda.
Govinda
Kar Prabhate.
Karamprabhate
Tu Darsanam, in this way. Tu Darsanam.
to
Okay.
the
So every morning we should chant this, and finally then we should touch the earth, right? We should touch the floor and do this way, and then put your feet on the floor.
Ma'am, first you have to wake up in the right side and then do it.
Right. Okay, so as soon as you wake up, you need to chant this and touch the floor with your hand and do like this, and then put your feet on the floor. Okay, done?
Okay,
Okay, now let us chant. See, first of all, whenever we start worshipping, whose puja we need to do?
Ganesha.
Yes, Ganesha, right? So let us begin with the Ganesha Stuti. Any one of you knows the Ganesha Stuti?
Not Ganesha Stuti, but we know Ganesha prayers.
Yes, Ganesha prayers. Anybody?
Ma'am, we know.
Yeah, chant.
Ma'am, it's like a song. A bhajan.
Yeah, it's like sloka.
Not sloka.
Not sloka. Is that arati that you are talking about?
Putri Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada.
Wow, very good, beta. Now let us chant with me together, okay? Say Gajananam
Gajanana
जाननं
Bhutade Ganadisevitam
Ganadi Sevitam
Bhuta Se Bhuta
भूत
Ganadisevitam
Ganadi
नास
Sevitam
Gana Se Gana
गण
Di
डी
Sevitam
सेवितम्
Gajananam
ज्ञाननं
भूतगणादिसेवितं
भूत
Ganadi Sevitam
ज्ञानं
कपीथजम्बूफलचारुभक्षणम् कपीथ
Kapita
कविता
जाम्बूफल
Rambu
भूफल
चारुभक्षणम्
Charu
चालु
Param, I cannot see you. Where are you, beta?
Let me say. Okay, now can you see me?
No, I cannot see you. I can see only Monalika. Yes, your hand I can see.
Ma'am, because the screen is smaller. Ma'am, just click the more bigger button, then you can see.
Okay, no problem. He is there, right? So at
Yeah.
least be loud enough, Param, so that I can listen you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now again, all of you chant with me together. Gazananam
गजाननं
Bhutaganaadisevitam Kapithajambufalacharubhakshanam Kapith
कपीत
Jambufala
जम्बूफल
Charubhakshanam Umasutam. Loud enough with energetic voice. Umasutam
मासतं
Sokabinasakarakam Sokabinasa
विनाश
Karakam
कारकं
Namami
मामि
Vigneshwara
What?
Vigneshwara.
Vigneshwara.
Say big
Vigneshwara.
Neshwara.
विघ्नेश्वर
Vigneshwara
विघ्नेश्वर
Padapankajam.
Padapankajam.
Now I'll chant the both the lines together. So you also try to do that with me, along with me, okay? Not after me, along with me. I'll chant very slowly, so along with me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं
गणना
भूतगणादिसेवितं
Bhutaganadim.
कपीथजाम्बूफलचारुभक्षणम् चारुभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकम् नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् विघ्नेश्वर
विघ्नेश्वर
पादपङ्कजम्
पादपङ्कजम्.
Tanisha, we are chanting Ganesha Stuti, so you also join. Okay, last time we will chant once more. Okay, then I will send you the recording of all this in the group, so you can learn with that recording, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
what are we doing, ma'am?
Ganesha Stuti.
Uh,
Okay, so chant with me together. Gajananam भूतगणादिसेवितं
भूतगणादिसेवितं
कपीथ
Kapita
जाम्बूफलचारुभक्षणम् जाम्बू
Shambhu
जाम्बू
Hambo
फल
Pada
चारु
Charu
भक्षणम्
Bhakshanam
हाँ, now together, okay? कपीथ जाम्बू फल चारु भक्षणम्
कपितजाम्बूफलचारुणा
उमासुतं
Umasam
शोकविनाशकारकम्
सुखविनाशकारक.
Param and Arya, I cannot hear your voice better. Be loud enough. Okay, be loud enough, okay? उमासुतं
Umasam
शोकविनाशकारकम् नमामि
नमामि
विघ्नेश्वर
विघ्नेश्वर
पादपङ्कजम्
पादपङ्कजम्.
Okay, now I will chant both the lines together and I will send this recording, so you need to do practice at home, right? In the group I will send this recording. Let me chant both the lines together. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपीथजाम्बूफलचारुभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकम् नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्. Done? We will learn this? Yes?
Okay.
In next class I will ask you, okay? Okay, this was the book we were supposed to purchase. Have you purchased it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please purchase this book. You will get online for 100 rupees.
I have in English and Sanskrit.
This is Sanskrit book along with the
Will you find
complete.
it? Will you find it in Amazon?
Yes, yes, you will find it Amazon. In
Ma'am,
Amazon it's available and it is only for 100 rupees. Complete Sanskrit book along with the Vyakran.
Ma'am, can you send it in the group?
Okay, I'll send the link in the group. Done.
Ma'am, does it have,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
not
does it
in
have
the
the
group.
English meaning and part?
Pardon me, Param. I cannot see you. I can't understand. Come.
Ma'am, does it have the English part?
English part, no, better we need to learn this only. See, this is in complete Sanskrit language in along with the Vyakran as well.
But ma'am, we don't know Sanskrit.
I will teach you. Don't worry. Okay.
Ma'am, there's no English book for this.
You can't read these letters.
Ma'am, it's Hindi. Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
it's Hindi
basically
letters.
Hindi.
Hindi letters.
Yeah, I can read Hindi.
You can read, right? And what about you, Monalika?
I can read. Even I can read.
Yes. So letters are in Hindi, pronunciation is Sanskrit. So Sanskrit pronunciation I'll teach you, right?
Ma'am, I know.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
maybe purchase this book only so that we can relate, right? And
doesn't
Okay, ma'am.
listen to me better first. And unless you purchase, I had shared a PDF of chapter 12 in the group. So please take a printout of that PDF for the next class, okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta?
that's the Bhagavad Gita book, right?
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
this
it's
is the
Sanskrit, ma'am.
Bhagavad Gita book from learngita.com.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
beta?
ma'am, in Sanskrit, ma'am, you say names as Paramaha,
Haha.
Monalika, and all of that. Actually.
Okay, now let us come back to our chapter 12. Okay, let us begin with chapter 12 now.
Okay.
See, today we are starting a very special chapter that is called Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga, right? What is the name of the chapter?
Bhakti Yoga.
Bhakti Yoga.
Bhakti Yoga. Okay. Bhakti Yoga means the path of love and devotion to God. The path of love and devotion to
God.
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 Okay.
God.
So in this chapter, like Arjuna asks a very important question and Krishna gives a beautiful answer. So we will learn about this, okay? We will learn chanting the sloka, then we will learn the meaning of that sloka. Are we ready for this path? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Together?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we begin the journey?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Let us begin. So all of you with me, say Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Ne param
Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Right. Now together with me. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः
अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः.
Very good, beautiful, beautiful, very good. Okay. अर्जुन उवाच
अर्जुन उवाच
एवं सततयुक्ता ये.
एवं सततयुक्ताये.
I had said this sloka with you in the group. You can look at the sloka and chant, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
एवं सततयुक्ताये.
एवं सततयुक्ता ये
एवं सततयुक्ताये.
भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते.
भक्तस्वाम्
Let us do one by one. Okay, Monalika, I'll begin with you.
Okay. Param.
Chant with me together. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः.
अथ द्वादशो
ध्यायः.
ध्यायः.
अर्जुन उवाच
अर्जुन उवाच
एवं सततयुक्ता ये
एवं सततयुक्ताये.
भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते.
भक्तस्त्वां पर्युपासते.
ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तन्. ये चाप्य
ये चाप्य
अक्षरमव्यक्तन्.
अक्षरमाल्यक्तन्
व्यक्तन.
मा व्यक्तम.
Monalika beta, the sloka is open in front of you.
No, ma'am.
That is why there is a mistake. Please open the sloka.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, where is the shloka?
In the group
In the
beta,
WhatsApp
see in
group.
the group, WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, recently the Gita.
Yes,
Ma'am, the
it's
first.
in the
Ma'am, I'm not in the
PDF as
group.
well. You can open
Ma'am.
that PDF as well.
Ma'am, the first page.
Yes, first page, first sloka.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I'm not in the group.
It's sure,
I will
Param.
add you beta in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have it.
You have it?
Ma'am,
Okay, shall we begin?
it's in the PDF, right?
Yes, it's in the PDF and I
Param,
have
it's
shared as a
in
message as well.
I'll see. You say.
Yes,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can see. Shall we begin once again? Say
Yes,
evam satata yuktaye
एवं सततयुक्ताये
bhaktastvām paryupasate.
भक्तस्त्वां परयुपासते
ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तन्.
ये चाप्य
ये, not a,
ये चाप्य
चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तन्.
ये चाप्यवक्षरम्
अक्षर
चाप्य अक्षरम्
व्यक्तन्.
मा व्यक्तम्
ते सांके
ते साङ्के
योगवित्तमाः.
रोगविक्तमा
योगवित्तमाः.
योगविक्तमा
वित्तमाः.
विक्तमाः
वित्तमाः.
विक्तमाः
जस्ट अ मिनट है बेटा. तो किचन का कर लीजिएगा फिर, ठीक है ना? आप कर लेंगे ना? हाँ कर लेंगे. ठीक है. Okay, shall I begin? Now, Param, where are you, beta? Param.
परम परम Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Chant with me. Face the camera, beta.
You can see me?
No, I cannot see you. Face the camera. Yes, I can see you now. Sit in the Monalika's place. Yes. Okay, now together with me. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता
अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः.
अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः
अर्जुन उवाच.
अर्जुन उवाच
एवं सततयुक्ताये
एवं सततयुक्ताये
भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते.
भक्तस्त्वां पर्युपासते
ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तन्
ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तम्
ते साङ्ख्ये योगवित्तमाः.
ते साङ्ख्ये योगवित्तमाः.
Okay, Tanisha, your turn.
Okay, ma'am.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता.
Shri Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Say again. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः.
Atvat अथ
द्वादशोऽध्यायः।
द्वादशोऽध्यायः।
अर्जुन उवाच
अर्जुन उवाच
एवं सततयुक्ता ये
एवं सततयुक्ता ये
भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते
भक्तास्त्वां
पर्युपासते
पर्युपासते
ये चाप्यक्षर
ये च प्रक्षर
ये चाप्य
ये चप्य
ए नहीं ये
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 चप्य
चाप्य अक्षर
ये चप्य अक्षर
अक्षर व्यक्तन
मां यक्तन्
ते सांके
ते सांके
योगवित्तमाः
योगवित्तमः.
हाँ, very good. So I will send you the recording in the group. So you need to learn it with the recording as well, right? So
Yeah.
that in the next class you are completely learned with the done slokas, right?
Yeah.
Arya, you are there, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Your turn. Chant with me. Say Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Namahe.
No, no, no. Say Om
Om
Shri
Shri
Paramatmane
Paramatmave
Paramat
Paramat
Mane
Mane
Namaha.
Namaha.
Again together. Om Shri
Om Shri
Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Matava
Paramatmane Namaha.
Namaha. Sorry.
Paramatmane Namaha.
Ma'am, it's lagging. I can't hear you.
Uh, am I audible right now?
Ma'am, I'm outside, so it's like laggy.
Okay, your network is poor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do one thing better. I will send the recording. I will add you first to the group, then I will send the recording. So do learn with the recording, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And in the next class, like try to purchase the book that I will share in the group, or else you can take the printout of the PDF.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, shall we move with the next sloka, or would you like to learn the meaning first?
The meaning?
Okay, let's learn the meaning
Meaning.
first.
Meaning.
See, what we learned right now, Arjuna Uvacha. That means Arjuna says, right?
Yes, I know.
Evam satata yukta ye bhaktastvām paryupasate ye chapyaksharamabhyaktan te sanke yoga vittamaha. This means what? Arjun is asking to Krishna, those who worship you with love and devotion, and those who worship the formless, who is the best among them? See, one is the person, like one category is like we worship to the idol of the god, right? Yes, idols we understand.
Yes.
Idols of the god we worship, and the another category is like they sit for yoga and sadhana and all, and they worship to the formless. Idol is not in front of them, they just imagine god in their mind and then they worship. That is another category. So Arjun is asking, whom you like most, the one who worships the idol of the god with the love and devotion, or the one who worships the formless god, right? So Arjun is asking what? Krishna, who is better? The one who loves you as a person with the form, or the one who meditates on the God without form? Am I clear?
Yes.
Question of Arjun is clear over here?
Yeah.
what Arjun is asking, the one who worships you in person, keeping your idol in front and worshipping you with love and devotion, right? And the one category who meditates you, imagines you without your idol in front,
Okay.
formless. Okay, so this first sloka meaning we are absolutely clear,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Now let us move to the second sloka. Okay, second sloka, it's already there in the PDF and I have sent you as a message as well. So look at the sloka and we will begin. Okay, now Krishna replies to Arjuna's question. Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri
Shri Bhagwan
Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagwan Acha
Uvacha.
Uvacha.
Uvacha means says.
Huh?
Miss, where is
Says.
it? I have the PDF right now, so I can't see where it is.
It's the second page.
First
Oh.
page, second sloka. First page,
Oh.
second sloka.
First page, Param.
First page,
Second
second
paragraph.
sloka. Sloka number 2.
Evam. Oh, Sata. No.
Okay.
It's
Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagwan Acha
All of you together with me. Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagwan Acha
Say Bhagavan. Say first of all,
Bhag-
say Bhagavan.
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 Bhagavan means God. Right?
Okay.
Bhagavan means
God.
God. Uvacha means says. Uvacha
Says.
means
Says.
says. So God says. Who gives reply to whose question? Arjuna's
Sri
question.
Bhagavanuvacha.
Krishna is giving reply. Okay. So all of you with me. Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagwan Acha
Monalika Param with full energy. Sri
Yes, Sri
Bhagavanuvacha.
Acha
Okay. Maya Vesya
Maya Vesya
Mano Yeman.
Manoyaman
Maya Vesya Mano Yeman.
Maya
Mayam is ane
Maya. Say Maya.
Maya
Vesya
Vesya
Mano Yeman.
Manoyaman
Nitya Yukta Upasate.
Nitya Ukta Manosate
Upasate.
Upasate
Nitya Yukta Upasate.
Nitya Ukta Manosate
Nitya
Nitya
Yukta
Yukta
Upasate.
Upasate.
Right. PDF is open in front of you, Tanisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Param, PDF is open in front
Yes,
of you.
ma'am.
You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see and you can read Hindi words, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So
I'm
read
not so
properly,
much.
read carefully, beta. In that case, Tanisha, you can follow my message. I have given you in the message in English words as well. Check
I
my
can't.
message in the WhatsApp. Yes. Okay, with me together. So from next class, like please be
I
ready
can't
with the
find.
PDF and the message which I have sent you. Okay. Please scroll the messages. You will find my message over there.
Away.
Okay. Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Maya Vesya Mano Yeman.
Maya Veshamano Yeman.
Nitya Yukta उपासते
युक्ता
युक्ता उपासते
श्रद्धया परयोपेतास्
श्रद्धया परोपेता
श्रद्धया श्रद्धया से श्रद्धया
श्रद्धया
परयोपेतास्
परोपेता
श्रद्धया परयोपेतास्
परोपेता
ते मे युक्ततमा मताः
ते मे युक्तमा मनसता
ते मे
ते मे युक्ता
तमा
अमा
तमा
अमा
त से त
त
मा
मा
तमा
थमा
not thama tama ta
थमा
ta ta
Tama.
tama
थमा
tama mataha
मताः
te me yuktatama mataha
ते मे युक्ता तथा
okay one by one together with me first of all param you will chant with me okay say Sri Bhagavanuvacha
श्रीभगवानुवाच
मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मान्
मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मान्
नित्ययुक्त उपासते
नित्यायुक्त उपासते
श्रद्धया परयोपेतास्
श्रद्धया
परयो
परयोपेतास्
ते मे युक्ततमा मताः
ते मे युक्ततमा मताः
very good beta Monalika
Yes, ma'am.
face the camera okay
Ma'am.
Sri Bhagavanuvacha
भगवानुवाच
मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मान्
मय्यावेश्य मनो ये माम्
नित्ययुक्ता उपासते
नित्यायुक्त उपासते
श्रद्धया परयोपेतास्
श्रद्धया परयोपेतास्
ते मे युक्ततमा मताः
ते मे युक्ततमाः
मताः
ममताः
ते मे युक्त
ते मे युक्त
तमा मताः
तमामताः
together again ते मे युक्ततमा मताः
ते मे युक्तं
तमा मताः
ते मे युक्ततमा
तमा
तमा
मताः
तमामताः
again
ते मे युक्त
युक्ततमा मताः
तमामताः
युक्त
युक्ततमामताः
very good try again together ते मे युक्ततमा मताः
ते मे युक्ततमामताः
I will send you the recording do learn with the recording right
Yes.
okay
okay Tanisha your turn beta
yes ma'am
Sri Bhagavanuvacha
श्री भगवान उवाच
मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मान्
मय्ये
मय्या
अवेश मनो ये चाम
मान
माम
message is not in front of you
name it is
it is then chant by looking beta say
am.
मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मान्
मय्या
वेश्य मनो ये मान्
अवेश
say मय्या
Maya.
Vesya.
Veshya. Man.
Manoyeman.
Manoyemam.
Nityayukta.
Nityayukta.
Upasate.
Upasate.
Nityayukta upasate.
Nityayukta upasate.
Yes, very good. Shraddhaya.
Shraddhaya.
Parayopetas. Parayo.
Parayopetas.
Say parayo.
Parayopetas.
Petas.
Para.
Parayo.
Parayopetas.
हाँ.
Petas.
Shraddhaya parayopetas.
Shraddhaya parayopetas.
Te me
Te me
yukta
yukta
tama
tama
mataha.
mataha.
Te me yukta tama mataha.
Te me yukta tama
Mataha.
mata.
Good try. I will send you the audio. Learn with that, right? Arya,
Yeah.
will you chant or you will learn from the audio?
Ma'am, is the English one
Ma'am,
on
listen to
top?
audio, ma'am.
I will send you
It's
the
laggy.
English version. Don't worry. I will send you the English version, okay?
Ma'am, is the English version on the top of the group chat?
Yes,
No,
it's
no,
on
no.
the
It's
group
on the
chat.
Or
third.
did you send it now?
I had
It's
sent you
already
today.
there.
Yeah, I had sent you
It's the
today.
top of the photo, I think. It's just like if you just go a bit up, you'll see the English one.
Yes. If you scroll, you will find it, beta.
Uh,
Okay.
Okay,
Now
ma'am, I'm
let us learn
seeing.
the meaning of the
I found it.
second sloka. Okay. Let me chant the sloka once again. Sri Bhagavanuvacha Mayyaveस्य mano ye man nitya yukta upasate Shraddhaya parayopetas te me yuktatama mataha. Over here what happens, see, now Lord Krishna is giving reply, okay? What Krishna replies, the blessed Lord said, those who fix their minds on me and worship me with unshakable faith, with the complete faith and trust in me, right? I consider them to be the best yogis. What Krishna says, the one who lovingly thinks of me, the one who lovingly thinks of me, prays to me, trust me completely, that person is very close to me. What did
Yes.
Yes.
Krishna say? The one who loves me, thinks of me, trust in me, have faith in me, I love those person. Okay?
Yeah. Ma'am, what's best? Yogis?
Yes, that's what. No, over in these two slokas, still the question is unanswered. Like Krishna is telling, the one who loves me, the one who worships me, the one who has faith in me, the one who trusts me, I love those people. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yogis
He
or the.
considers the formless. He considers the formless the
No, no,
best.
no, no, no. Yet the question is not answered, and let it be
Ma'am, one
surprise
second.
only for
Someone is
today.
Ma'am, I'll join right back. Someone is calling.
Is it very urgent, beta?
No, like my mom had to talk with my dad. So
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, now tell me, do you talk to the God when you are
No.
happy or when you are scared?
Yeah.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah,
Lot.
yeah, yeah.
A
You
lot.
talk, yes?
Yeah.
Do you sing bhajan or you chant Om?
That doesn't come to my mind when I'm scared. Yeah.
Yeah, so that is bhakti. So this is only called bhakti. Loving God like your friend. This is bhakti. Right? When we talk to God like a friend, when we tell our feelings, sentiments, emotions, when we recall Him when we are scared, and we chant bhajan for Him, we chant Om, that is bhakti. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is bhakti? Bhakti is like loving God like a best friend.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to love Krishna with all your heart.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? You don't need to be
And you have sent
perfect.
the explanation of the shloka, right, ma'am?
Yes, I have sent you the explanation as well. I
Yeah,
will
in the
send
group.
this explanation also. The one I am
Yes,
telling
ma'am.
you. And I will send the recording of this session as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I had recorded this session. I will share the recording of the session along with the audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Audio, slokas and meaning I will send you separately, and the video link also I will send you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now your homework for next class is you need to learn both the slokas together with my audio, the one which I'll send you today, and
Okay,
you
ma'am.
need to take a printout of the PDF for the next class. Okay, so all
Okay,
of you
ma'am.
wide
Ma'am,
open
we
your
have to buy
arms.
that. We have to buy the book, right?
Right now.
Pardon me.
We have to buy the book, right?
Yeah, if you buy the
Now
book,
we
that
don't
will
have
be
the
wonderful.
printer. Now we don't have a printer right now.
Not an issue, not an issue. You can buy it. Okay. So
Okay.
open your arms wide open like this. Open your arms wide open. You can see me. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say hey Nath.
Hey, ma'am.
मेरे नाथ
मेरे नाम
मैं आपको भूलू नहीं.
मैं आपको भूल नहीं.
हे नाथ
हे नाम
मेरे नाथ
मेरे नाम
मैं आपको भूलू नहीं.
मैं आपको भूल नहीं.
से नारायण 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 नारायण.
नारायण 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 नारायण
We will
नारायण.
meet again at 7 p.m. next class Saturday, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But homework, you need to finish your homework. I'll send you in the group. And Arya, I will add you today. Then I will send the entire details in the group, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, Narayan, 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 Narayan.
Narayan. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.